Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here, and today is Monday, April 3rd, and we're going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the monthly, especially looking at other dollar pairs, especially the DXY US dollar, I do definitely think this is either going up to make an ABC or 1, 2, 3. I was thinking it would be an ABC because I do see three waves up and I see three waves down. Usually that does lead to another three-way pattern upwards. Probably will at least take out these two highs before it finishes this move up. I would say at least to the 78 or maybe even the 100% Fibonacci extension. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame is where you can actually start to see the higher highs, higher lows that make up this move up, most likely part of a wave A. This move down was very strong because of how weak the Aussie was, but I think it's a wave B, and I think the wave B may even be over, and we're already going up to make that wave C, just like what I was showing on the monthly time frame. So let's keep going down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame is where you can start to see the three waves down. You got one impulsive wave A, corrective up wave B, and this right here is definitely all one trend for the wave C. We have an impulsive move up. We don't have any structure broken yet, but looking at other dollar pairs, I definitely do think this is going to be the end of a wave B right here, and I do think that it will end up making those higher highs, higher lows to make a wave C, or maybe possibly a wave 3. It doesn't really matter to me whether it's a wave C or whether it's a wave 3 because either way I'm going to be looking for longs on shorter time frames for the continuation of this uptrend. So let's take it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I think this first move down is an A. I definitely see three waves up right there for the B, and I think this move down is a C. It only went down to the 61.8% Fibonacci extension of wave A projected off the top of wave B, but with how impulsive up that is, I definitely think that's the end of a correction, and I do think that this is gonna make those higher highs, higher lows like I was showing on the higher time frames to make that big pattern that I was showing on the weekly and on the monthly. So let's head down to the 1 hour time frame, take a closer look at that. On the 1 hour time frame, you can now see the trend for the wave C. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 of wave C. Nice big impulsive move up, taking out structure. I definitely see that as the end of that trend. And if that trend is a wave C, which I do think it is, then that's definitely the end of an ABC correction. And this is going to be the continuation of the uptrend, just like what I was showing on the much longer time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.